Hello viewers, let's see how to find the history or already watched videos, photos, comments and other activity you previously interacted with on Facebook using Android phone. So open Facebook, click on your photo and come to other side. Click these three lines or three dots. Now scroll down settings and privacy and then once again see below settings under setting and privacy. Now scroll down and click on activity log under your activity and disappear. So now click your Facebook activity. Click it or tap it and now click on manage comment and reactions. Click on this button. Now we are on the interface where the history is available. So this is a reel. Let me click this reel and you can see it. It was previously watched. You can see the date above. Let's go and click this photo. It's a photo previously watched. Let's go down more and see the comment. And through this way, you can simply watch anything you previously saw on Facebook. Thanks for watching.